it's me, Owen, and today we are doing part 2 of Frankie My Brother with a cat gun. When he was filming here, you get 8 shots, ring caps, so here they are, and you put them in there, so yeah, and my brother's filming. I'm going to do 4 shots, he's going to do 4 shots, and look this far.
I don't mind that